Meaning of Fort Knox.
Fort Knox.
Fort Knox.
Fort Knox.
Fort Knox. Fort Knox is a United States Army post located in Kentucky, which is famous for its gold depository. The U.S. government stores a vast amount of its gold reserves in Fort Knox, which is protected by extensive security measures, including armed guards and fencing. Given the value of the gold it houses, Fort Knox has become synonymous with security and protection, and the phrase "as secure as Fort Knox" is often used to describe something that is extremely safe and difficult to breach.